Welcome all YouTubers, this is your Super Gadget Geek Mike. Best tech product reviews, all the coolest, most innovative gadgets, household items, anything new to the market. I'm all over it like a duck on a Cheeto, guys. Today we're going to be looking at some really cool high-tech Bluetooth connected smart toothbrush by Oral-B. It's the Genius 8000. I'm a previous owner of another Oral Braun. I think it's the 7000 series. They have quite a few models. It's pretty confusing which to choose. The one that I have has a clock where it shows the brushing modes rather than having to use the app. And they also give you an attachment for the mirror to attach your smartphone so you can use the app to see what quadrants and what your brushing mode is and all that stuff. So many options, guys. The main reason I chose this one is because it has a travel case and my old one does not. So I don't like some of the models because whether it's this or Philips, each model or the top two models don't seem to give you everything one has versus the other. You have to decide which one suits you best. Same thing with the brush heads. Anyhow, let's take a look at the box. It has a position detection to know supposedly where in your mouth that you're brushing, whether it's the top or the bottom. I don't know if it's smart for the front or the back, but it's got this cool little tab and it's magnetized. Smart travel case charges your brush and your smartphone with one plug. And then on the side, 3D action oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to remove and sweep plaque away for up to 100% more plaque removal versus a regular manual brush. 6 cleaning modes: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening, tongue cleaning, and pro clean. By the way, check out my other videos. I did an unbox on the Sonic Hair and my older toothbrush. Well, not old, but that way you can compare, see which fits you best. The price on this, by the way, is not cheap. If you have to ask how much, probably not in your budget. But this is supposedly the top model. It's almost $169 on Amazon. Oral-B Genius Pro 8000 only comes in black, to my knowledge. I don't think it comes in white. Some of the other brands or models, they give you 2 or more color choices. So anyhow, then on the back mentions again the position detection, personalizable multicolor smart ring with real-time visual coaching. So this is my older toothbrush. See the color right here? You can actually change this, like red, orange, green, like 10 different color choices. It shows you what mode you're brushing in. So you can hear the difference. Holding it up to my microphone right now. And then you can see the battery life, it's got a full charge. Anyhow, the reason I upgraded to this is because it just went, I think, lithium ion. The one I had before was not, and it wasn't holding a charge that long. And then this is just the basic cheapy case it came with. It's super cheap, super plain. It had another Oral-B with a very fancy magnetized closure. It's really wide and very fancy looking, but I didn't like it because it was too large for my toiletry bags. Anyhow, on the side it says the same thing. On this side, I already read that side. So let's just open this up, see how it works. It shows right here, you can prop up your phone, while it's in the case. I guess charge your phone in case, so we'll see how that works exactly. #1 dentist used worldwide. I'm sure Philips says the same thing. When I used to advertise in the phone book, Verizon, AT&T at the time, they both lied or both said, oh, we're #1 in usage. And then I asked the rep, like, who's lying? Or both companies are lying. And they said, oh, what they do is they find a survey that favors them is what they do. just like the 3 out of 5 dentists is meaningless. You just keep on asking dentists. It's not a big enough sampling to ask just a few people. Anyway, so got this case, definitely way longer and way nicer than my existing one. Only issue is, will it fit in my toiletry bag? If not, then I might go with my Phillips for when I'm traveling. But other than that, it's pretty nice. And then you can see here a pin. That's to fit the charger. And we'll see if there's another charger. There's probably not another travel charger. There might be a stand-up bathroom charger. So that's the thing. Some models offer something that other ones don't. Okay. Then we got the beautiful head right here. Has a really nice rubber grip, unlike my Philips Sonicare that has no grip in the back. Super slim, super sleek, and sexy, just like my ladies. Haha. And guess what? Oh, okay. I just thought it was dead. Have a little face off here, so to speak. So about the same thing. The thing I don't like with black is then when you put a replacement head, those are white. So to me, I think it looks kind of funny. White replacement head with a white brush. Unless the replacement heads are black. Okay, and then here's the thing I was talking about where you can stick it up on your mirror while you're brushing for your phone while you're using the app. And you could just use it for other things too. It's pretty cool. I already know what this looks like. Open this puppy up. Okay, so you stick your phone to it. Get my phone. I do have the app, but I have it linked actually to my other toothbrush. And then boom, it has a locking mechanism. So it shows you when you have it down or towards the suction cup, that's when it's locked. And then right there it's unlocked. So that this definitely is really strong, really good. And not only you can spin it sideways too, which is really nice, and it pivots freely. So if your mirror is to one side, you can go like that when you're standing to the left or to the right of your suction cup. So, and oops. And you can get it in, and you can get it in one-handed, but to get it out, you gotta use the other hand. So we've got that. Okay. And then here's the charger cord. And it looks like it could be proprietary. You see the connector on the end? So it definitely is. And then you got a USB port. So I'm going to test to see if it will charge my phone. Let's see. So either this has a battery in it, or when you're charging the case, then you could charge your phone. That's probably what it does. So let me grab my cord to charge my phone. By the way, this is a really cool split cord. You probably may have seen on eBay, where you have a micro USB and then you put an adapter on top to turn it to lightning. This is even better because you can charge two things at the same time rather than one or the other. So connect the lightning to my iPhone 7, connect it to the case, and there's probably an indicator light at the end, and nothing is happening as expected, but that's okay. Let's cut this open. And anytime you're bored, guys, feel free to skip ahead. We have Best Tech product reviews. We don't do any fancy editing. We don't waste time doing video editing. Spend more time on analyzing, purchasing, and discovering products. Because to me, at the end, that's what should really matter. Not fancy graphics, all that crap. So get this cord undone. I always have these sometimes low quality twisties, not the ones that you can reuse. So they put a low quality one. The adapter goes in, basically adapter goes in only one way. So this is not as compact as my Philips, so I think I'll be traveling with my Philips. Check out that video. Okay, and now, see, my cell phone is charging. And let's get the case does have a good locking action to it. Let's get this puppy in. And by the way, a tip, if you have Oral-B and Sonicare, you own both brush brands, or you or your significant other has the Sonicare and you have the Oral-B, if you use the Sonicare charger, which has a round stem, you can charge both brands, even though it's not a snug fit, but not vice versa. The Oral-B has this kind of trapezoidal, larger, rounded shape. So the Philips is smaller and rounded, and it fits inside, it's conductive, so it works. So that's a little tip for you guys. Got electric toothbrush experience, and as you can see, it is charging in the case. The battery of the battery is low. Let's see. No, the battery is, looks like 2 out of 3 charged, something like that. And then this thing here, which they're showing in the box, what that does is, I think that just props up your phone, which I kind of don't get. Okay, I think I get it. So instead of traveling with this, and while you're using the app, that's too big to travel with, so you can prop up your phone, obviously while not charging, and go like that, charging your phone. It's well, actually like that. There we go. There's 2 sections. Kind of don't know why. Oh, okay, excuse me. That's for the brush heads. Okay. Oh, brain dead here. Right there's their cell phone logo. Right here, obviously 2 brush heads. So get that. Okay, so that makes sense. You can go like that too, I suppose. So maybe that might not be a bad way to go if you want to use the app, or you could just lay your phone or not use the app at all. And I think I still will keep my white toothbrush because the technology or design is, well, actually, I might keep the black one. It has one more mode. If you look at this, like I said, well, the black is kind of sexy, matches the case, but if you look, there is one more brush mode. There's tongue. So that's good. Since you're paying a lot more money, you got regular brush mode, and then when the first one lights with the little plus, that's 45 seconds per quadrant. Then the feather is sensitive. The diamond is to polish your teeth. And then the little squiggly lines, that is massage. And then the last one on the black, that's specifically to clean the tongue. So we'll start them up. We'll hit the bottom button. On this one it shows it's going straight to the plus, don't know why, but I have this one paired to my phone, so I have to redo the other one, but let's see. It's going straight for that. There we go. Polish. See, I've got 2 different colors on the ring, which you can change. There's massage. So this went back to the beginning, regular. This is That's the tongue. That's the regular brush mode. Regular brush mode. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one 5. So anyway, let's see how it looks with the brush head. Got some coupon crap which I won't be keeping. Then you have, instead of 2 brush heads, you get 3. So you get this one with the weird plastic center that's not bristles. Then you get this one, and then you get this one. Okay, this one's my favorite, the ones that look like that. This one's more polished, more focused. Okay, and then you get this, which I don't really need or see the point, but you can keep brush heads and stuff in here, I guess. It snaps shut, and then here I guess a charging thing. Let's see here. Then we got this other little box, and okay, and then this is the charger for the bathroom top instead of desktop. This regular conventional 2-prong. So if you want, you could just travel with this if you want, I suppose. Go like that, charge the brush, which is how I used to. Even though these puppies can hold a charge for about a week or 2. Or, let's see, or you go like that and you put it in the frame, actually like this, because it has a cutout in the back. So as you can see, guys, I am thorough. No rush here. And then I guess you put your brush heads there. Anyhow, guys, thanks for tuning in, guys. I will end it there. Oops, let's see. Then you attach your brush head. I don't know, does that look too weird or funny? I don't think it does, because it's got the separation. I think I'll go with the black. Once you go black, you don't go back, right? Black is my favorite color, by the way. We've got the black and silver. So anyhow, please hit that subscribe, share this or other link to my videos. Click the videos column, not the home tab, but videos, and you can see all my other videos. The most recent will be on the top. If you click playlists, that will help you find and discover different type of things, whether it's app related or not. I spent a lot of time creating that so you can discover, and that's it, guys. Really appreciate it.